We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the ENOKIK Galaxy Projector, Star Aurora projector with built-in Bluetooth speaker and white noise light. If you have this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The ENOKIK Galaxy Projector is a multifunctional device designed to transform any room into a visually stunning and relaxing environment. It combines a ceiling projector, a Bluetooth speaker, a white noise sleep aid, and a nightlight, all in one compact and stylish package. The projector features a 360-degree adjustable projection angle, allowing users to increase the coverage area and direct the mesmerizing aurora and star effects wherever they desire. The upgraded LED lights are praised for their novel and realistic projection, simulating a variety of light effects using 4 primary colors: red, green, blue, and white. Users can select from 4 light speeds and 4 brightness levels, enabling them to create a romantic, relaxing, or serene atmosphere tailored to any occasion, whether it is for unwinding after a long day, setting the mood for a cozy evening, or entertaining guests at a party. One of the standout features consistently highlighted in user reviews is the soothing white noise sleep aid. The projector offers 8 different white noise sounds, including soft light music, ocean waves, forest birds, a music box, early morning jungle, stream, bonfire, and pebbled beach. Many users report that these calming sounds help them fall asleep faster and maintain a state of relaxation throughout the night. The integration of white noise with the visual effects is described as a game changer for those seeking better sleep quality or a peaceful ambience for meditation or relaxation. The built-in Bluetooth 5.2 speaker is another key component of the ENOKIK Galaxy Projector. Users can easily connect their devices via Bluetooth to play their favorite music, and the projector offers 12 levels of volume adjustment. While some reviewers praise the sound quality as excellent for such a compact device, others note that the speaker's performance is adequate but not exceptional, especially for audiophiles or those seeking deep bass and high fidelity. Nevertheless, the convenience of having both a light show and music playback in one device is widely appreciated, and many find it perfect for casual listening, background music, or enhancing the atmosphere during gatherings. The projector is equipped with a full-featured remote control, making it easy to adjust settings such as light patterns, brightness, speed, sound, and timer functions without having to get up. The timer can be set for 1 or 2 hours, and the device will automatically shut off after 4 hours if no timer is set, which helps extend the lifespan of the projector and provides peace of mind for users who may fall asleep with it on. The auto shut-off feature is particularly popular among parents and those using the projector as a nightlight. In terms of design, the ENOKIK Galaxy Projector has a distinctive look described as a Mars rover shape with a polished black finish. It is made from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, and stainless steel, giving it a modern and robust appearance. The device is compact, measuring 6.3 inches in length, 4.72 inches in width, and 3.94 inches in height, and weighs just 15.2 ounces, making it easy to place on a table or move between rooms. The light direction is adjustable, and the projector is powered by a corded electric source with a single A battery included for remote operation. One aspect that has caused some confusion among buyers is the power source. Some users initially believed the projector was rechargeable or could be used wirelessly, but it must remain plugged in to operate. The battery is only for the remote control, not for the projector itself. Additionally, the device comes with a plastic stand featuring decorative wheels, but these wheels do not move, and the projector is not intended to be mobile or remote controlled in terms of movement. Despite these minor misunderstandings, most users find the setup straightforward and appreciate the overall build quality. The ENOKIK Galaxy Projector is highly versatile and suitable for a wide range of uses and age groups. It is frequently purchased as a gift for children, teenagers, and adults alike, with many reviewers mentioning its success as a birthday, holiday, or special occasion present. The projector is especially popular among parents looking for a nightlight or sleep aid for their children, as well as among adults seeking to enhance their bedroom, living room, or entertainment space. The device is also recommended for parties, dates, meditation, and home decor, making it a timeless addition to any household. Users consistently praise the visual effects of the projector, describing the aurora-like colors as breathtaking, vibrant, and seamless in their transitions. The star patterns are said to resemble diamonds, adding a magical touch to the ceiling or walls. The ability to adjust the angle and coverage allows for creative placement and customization, enabling users to achieve different effects depending on the room and occasion. The brightness can be lowered for a subtle nightlight effect or increased for a more dramatic display, although some users caution that looking directly at the projector while it is on can be quite bright and may temporarily affect vision. The remote control is highlighted as a major convenience, allowing users to cycle through various light patterns, adjust brightness and speed, switch between sound options, and set timers with ease. The intuitive controls make the projector accessible to users of all ages, and the inclusion of multiple preset options means there is something for everyone, from calming and subdued to lively and dynamic. The Bluetooth speaker function is generally well received, with many users enjoying the ability to play their own music or pair the light effects with audio for a more immersive experience. While the sound quality is not on par with dedicated speakers, it is more than sufficient for ambient use, and the integration of light and sound is a unique feature that sets the ENOKIK Galaxy Projector apart from simpler nightlights or projectors. Some reviewers mention that the speaker could be improved, particularly in terms of bass response and overall clarity at higher volumes. But for most users, the convenience and novelty outweigh these minor shortcomings. Durability and customer service are also noted in several reviews. While the majority of users report reliable performance, there are occasional reports of units failing after several months of use. In these cases, customers have generally received prompt and helpful support from the manufacturer, including refunds or replacements, which has led to increased satisfaction and trust in the brand. The ENOKIK Galaxy Projector has earned an impressive average rating of 4.5 out of 5 from over 3,600 ratings, reflecting a high level of satisfaction among buyers. It ranks highly in its category, being #32 in nightlights and #1, 572 in tools and home improvement on Amazon. The combination of innovative features, ease of use, and aesthetic appeal makes it a standout choice among similar products. In summary, the ENOKIK Galaxy Projector is a multifunctional device that excels at creating a captivating and relaxing environment through its advanced lighting effects, soothing white noise options, and integrated Bluetooth speaker. Its user-friendly design, adjustable settings, and versatile applications make it suitable for all ages and a wide range of settings, from bedrooms and living rooms to parties and meditation spaces. While there are minor drawbacks, such as the need for a constant power source and a speaker that may not satisfy audiophiles, the overwhelming majority of users find the projector to be a valuable and enjoyable addition to their home. If you are looking for a unique gift, a way to enhance your living space, or a tool to aid relaxation and sleep, the ENOKIK Galaxy Projector comes highly recommended by users across the internet. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. If you have experience with this projector, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision and support the channel.